Is it the right time to buy or sell the VOO ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the VOO ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and today we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 18, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a sell candidate with a score of -3.77. Now let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock has encountered a loss of -4.10%. This means that, on average, it has experienced a daily loss of -0.59% since being classified as a sell candidate. The ETF has recently broken the narrow and falling short-term trend down. While there may be some false breaks and sell-off moments, a further fall is likely. Any reactions back to the breaking point, $380.18, can be seen as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $361.57 will be the new bottom line of the next trend, but it's too early to confirm this. Looking at the current 3-month trend, it suggests a potential -6.30% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -6.01% and -1.42%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a 15.92% change over the next year, with a potential return between 15.92% and 33.2%. This translates to a price range of $439.33 to $504.83 after 12 months. In our latest update for VOO, we have some important news to share. The headline reads, "Red Day on Thursday for VOO." On the last trading day, which was Thursday, October 26, 2023, the price of the VOO ETF dropped by 1.25%, going from $383.81 to $379. Throughout the day, the ETF had a fluctuation of 1.39%, reaching a low of $378.15 and a high of $383.40. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 4.9% over this period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded increased by 2 million on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly higher risk in the coming days. Overall, a total of 7 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.61 billion. Taking a look at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price the ETF reached was $422.15, while the lowest price was $338.90. Currently, the price is 10.22% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $43.15 lower. Furthermore, it is also 14.11% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 4, 2022, with a price of $441.26. In relation to VOO, several signals have been identified. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, has generated a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact the short-term outlook. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a sell signal for the VOO ETF, suggesting a more negative forecast. Furthermore, the relation between the long-term and short-term averages also indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In case of upward corrections, there will likely be resistance at $387.46 and $397.50. A break above these levels would trigger buy signals. On Wednesday, October 11, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -5.47% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that requires closer monitoring of the ETF. Notably, the ETF experienced a golden star signal on Monday, January 9, 2023 in the long-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a rare and significant combination. In the past, this particular pattern has often been followed by substantial and prolonged gains for the ETF in question. Today, we'll explore some fascinating signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. One signal to pay attention to is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a buy signal. Another important signal is the pivots, which gave a sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger is also worth considering, as it provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average, on the other hand, gave a sell signal 8 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average has been showing a buy signal for the past 32 days. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 8 days ago on this chart as well. Similarly, the long-term moving average confirmed a sell signal 27 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. To explore more signals, be sure to visit our website at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. When it comes to support, there is currently no accumulated volume below today's level for VOO. This means that if certain conditions are met, the ETF could potentially perform poorly in the next few days. However, VOO generally exhibits controlled movements and is considered to have low risk due to its good liquidity. In fact, the ETF only saw a $5.25 difference between its high and low points in the last day, which is equivalent to a 1.39% change. Over the past week, it has had an average daily volatility of 1.28%. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for VOO. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $386.99. If you don't own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. For those who already have shares, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't much support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop under certain conditions. If you're not an experienced trader who knows how to handle such situations, it's best to proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you have the necessary expertise. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this ETF, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Currently, VOO is showing several negative signals and is within a narrow and falling trend. Based on this analysis, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of VOO is undervalued. Specifically, for trading on Friday, October 27th, we predict that VOO will open up by $1.18, starting the day at $380.18. Before we dive into the content, it's crucial to understand that trading always comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on the current view of the stock. Share your thoughts by commenting below. Also, what is your target for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.